Is Windows 11 search not working on your computer? Maybe you can't find apps, files, or settings, or you click the search button and nothing happens. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy solutions that can help fix Windows 11 search problems. Let's get started. First, let's restart the Windows search service. Press Windows plus or on your keyboard. Type services, scan, press enter. In the Services window, find Windows Search. Right-click it and select Restart. If Restart is not available, double-click Windows Search and make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Then click Apply and OK. Now try Windows Search again. If search is still not working, let's restart Windows Explorer. Right-click the Start button and select Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click it and select Restart. Your desktop and taskbar may disappear for a moment. That's normal. Wait a few seconds, then try using Windows Search again. The next solution is to rebuild the Windows Search Index. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Then select Searching Windows. Scroll down and look for Advanced Indexing options. Click Advanced Indexing Options. In the Indexing Options window, click Advanced. Under the Index Settings tab, click Rebuild. Windows will now rebuild the search index. This can take some time, especially if you have a lot of files. When it's finished, try searching again. If Windows Search is still having problems, you can try resetting the search app. Open Settings, go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. Then select Installed Apps. Search for Windows Search. If the advanced options are available, open them. Then look for the Reset option and click Reset. Windows will reset the app data and settings. After that, restart your computer and test search again. Finally, make sure your Windows 11 installation is up to date. Open Settings, go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your computer. Sometimes search problems are caused by Windows bugs, and a newer update may already contain a fix. If none of these solutions work, you can also create a new Windows user account and test search there. If search works normally in the new account, the problem may be related to your current Windows user profile. And that's it. These are 5 easy solutions you can try when Windows 11 search is not working. I hope one of these methods fixed the problem for you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Khoa Nguyen Computer, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.